There's a squirrel. Jeez, I thought it was a rabbit or a rat or something. It's a squirrel on the path. Dear. Oh, it's like she's seeing a rabbit then, or something. Scampering off down the path. Wascally rabbit. Look, rabbit wax. You're not out my foot. Thank goodness. Huh. The road. Nice. Finally. Cross over onto the other path now. Oh yay. Anyway, let's see. Well, that's a bit of a fixer-upper. The overlooking. It's like it's burnt down. Okay, right. Back on the other side. So, okay. Nice. See, no place to stop. So I just carry on, I guess. Mind your head. Right. I think there's some shade up ahead. Might sit down there. Have something to eat. Get out the sun for a bit. Hi ho, mind the step. Enjoy your trip. So, it's taken me about 2 hours to get from Wigan down to Abraham and Dover, the A573. I'm heading towards Pennington Flashy. Okay, so, nice rest, couple of sandwiches, took my boots off for a bit, yeah, ready to rumble. Let's get cracking. Is this another, like, flash lake type place? Whoa, ooh, little pathway downwards. Yeah. Any excuse to get off the motorway. Psycho way. Nice. More hens. So there's another little flash place. Swans. Geese. Usual suspect. It's a heron. Is it? Looks like a heron. Huh. It's a nice little diversion. There's a heron on the other side. We can get a better shot. See if I can get another angle. So I'm in like short meadows. That's Dover Flash. Nice. That's where I saw the heron. Lovely. Yeah. I forgot for a second that was like shore meadows. As you thought, actually, what if it's called Lakeside Meadows? Where would the Dorkside Meadows be? Dear me. Dear. Any hoozles. Yeah, still needs to get Stockman Dead edited. So, hopefully soon. I'll just have to see how it goes. So I'm thinking this is Smith's Bridge coming up to here. So then Gerard's Bridge, then to Plank Lane, and Pennington Flash Park. So it's not far to go. Yay. Wait, hey. Smith's Bridge. Nice. Swifts in the trees. Swift is in the sky. Oh wow. Nice. Right. This is Gerrard's Bridge, I think. So. Right. Sit down. Yeah. Figure out the plan. The plan. What's the plan? It's not about Galactica's plan. That was no plan. They made this up as they went along. So, improvisational Ian at your service. Hello. Don't know what that was. Let's see what the sitch is. So, approaching the outskirts of Lee, Plank Lane, and Pennington Flash should be over that way. Visible sometime soon. Yay. Almost there. As Red Leader said to Luke on the Death Star trench run. Dear, stay on target. No, won't do that again. Okay. Oh, yeah. The end is in sight. Well, not in sight, but it's coming up soon. Yay. So, hoping of another mini epic out of this. Maybe another 10 videos, get me over 1,000 or to nearly 1,000. So, just have to wait and see, won't we? Yay. Okay. Plank Lane lift bridge. Nice. Well, Riverside Apartments, well, Canal Side Apartments, but they cost a pretty penny. I won't be able to afford them. Anyway. Aye. Not far to go. Nice.